Hello everyone, this is me Risha. Welcome back to another podcast. So today we have Mr. Rohit, and today is our topic all will be all about personality development. Hello Mr. Rohit, how are you?
I'm doing great, and Rishabh, it's my pleasure to be on your show and sharing my valuable insights on the topic which we are going to talk about in detail. So, thank you for having me on this show.
Okay, fine. Thank you Mr. Rohit for coming and for giving it time. So today we will be talking about personality development because this is a very important topic in nowadays. If any person is going for a job or in the business, for everyone, personality development is very important in order to lead a successful life. So we will know something about that because a lot of person don't have an idea how to develop a good personality, what is personality development, what is the sign of a good personality. So let us start with the very basic. So my first and very basic question is that what are the signs of a good personality? Like if anybody want to have a very good personality, so what are the signs that he will have to have that?
See, once we talk about the personality development, it is a very say like subjective term. It is very like a deep term. Anything or everything could be included in this. But once you start talking about personality development, like or you when you say that what is the sign of good personality development? So I'll try to answer this in a very different way. Like, what should good personality not involve? Like, what is bad personality? So, if a bad personality is a kind of a personality which doesn't help you to grow in your life, okay, like what people are talking about you, how you are representing yourself, and say there are lot many things which we can answer in this particular thing. But if you want to grow as a person, you have to develop that personality. So when I talk about good personality, it is always about how you are helping yourself in developing that good personality. Okay, what kind of value you are consuming, what kind of impression you are having on people. Once you start having that conversation, once you try to show the results by doing that kind of a work, then it is the sign of good personality. And see, personality is not always about how people are looking at you. It can be coming through what kind of work you are doing, what are the results you are bringing to the table, how do you look, how do you represent yourself, like how do you talk with people, what are good etiquettes, what are good manners you are having, and how you are helping people. That is very important because see, when I say like I am having good personality, what does that mean? If I'm not helping another person who is looking to develop or who is looking to grow as a person, then I won't be saying that I'm having that good personality. So it is very important, once you start talking about this personality development, once you start about having the good body language, then how you are building yourself. There are a lot many inputs which we should be taking into this conversation where we will be talking in further, like what are the things which you need to do while developing a good personality. So it is overall like developing yourself which adds value, creating better version of yourself, and then moving ahead with that pace.
Okay, wow, yeah, you have explained the good thing. And like nowadays, what I people see, okay, what they believe or what they assume that a good personality, for example, if a person is having a well dressed or is well groomed, is that person is only like treated as a good personality. A normal person is not treated. So a personality development or a good personality is not only from the outlook. Yeah, it is also somehow from the outlook. Okay, but what most of the people consider, but it is all about inside also, how you behave, how you talk. Okay, what is your hobbies, and these all things are also how you talk, the way of your communication, the way of you using the words, and all these are also the things. And further, we will be discussing all these things. So, Mr. Rohit, like, can you tell me that how to build up a good personality? As you said, that these things are very important in a personality.
Yeah.
So, can you tell me that how to build up? For example, if there is any normal person, he don't know a lot of things about personality development, or he is just a normal, he is doing job or something, is into studies. So, if he want to develop a good personality, so that people should love him, okay, he should be admired, or he should have a good character. So, what are the things he need to
Right.
do?
Okay, so Rishabh, when we talk about like developing a good personality for say like he or she, then what things need to be considered is very important question you have raised. I'll give my example because I come from a place, say like semi-urban place. So I studied myself in English medium school, but we never spoke in English. So that was like we always used to have that conversation in my mother tongue, say like Marathi, Hindi, whatever the kind of students were there. So for my junior college, I moved out to other city. So there I found like people are very good at it, very good at English, very good at living a better life. So that is the kind of a change, that is the kind of a mindset we need to have, because once we move out to other city, or once we move out to say like some other place, the kind of people who you are surrounded with will influence you a lot. So that becomes
Exactly.
important. So right now when we are having this conversation, when we are recording this podcast episode, we are the people on say like parallel scale, we have good thoughts, we are exchanging good thoughts. So it is always about having those people around us, and it is not just about copying them. It is always about, if you want to develop that good personality, you have to be good observer. So you need to observe the minute details. How does that thing adds value to my life? So if you're doing that, then you are growing. Then see like what other peoples are doing is not necessary that we also have to do. He or she might be having different kind of interest, but then when people are doing those things, how you are keeping up your passion for doing the things which you love. So you can read books, you can say like watch web series which are value added web series which can help you to learn say like how you can speak in English. You can learn some foreign language by watching web series. So it is up to you how you are going to utilize those say like mediums. So when I moved to say like the city of Pune for my junior college days, then I learned like yes, we have to give our time, we have to develop a kind of a personality where we have to compete with the people who are better than us. So always have that benchmark in mind. If you want to develop a good personality, try to have benchmarks. Say like right now I'm 90% okay, but I have to get to 100%. So for that 10%, what kind of efforts are you going to take, or she is going to take? That becomes very important. Then there are like audiobooks, there are podcasts which you can listen to, there are n number of books. You can just read, you can just explore, you can just implement. The results will be coming. See, when we talk about the results, when we talk about having the good personality, what will happen? Either you will be say like fail, or either you will be winning. Okay, but during all this time you are learning. So that is very important key. Once you are starting to learn, you will be able to develop the good personality. And as you said earlier, it is not just about exterior outlooks, how you are from within, what kind of heart you are having, what kind of personal representation you are having. Say like if a person exterior thing are influenced by the material things like the clothes we wear, the gadgets we own, or the looks we have. But if you are a good person from within, if you are able to convince people, if you are able to influence people, then that is the sign of good personality. And this is how you can develop your personality. Just make sure one thing, that you always keep learning. There is no stoppage in your life. Yeah.
Okay, wow. You have explained the good things. For example, as if I summarize your point, okay, you want to say that if anybody want to develop its good personality, so they can do it by a lot of means. Might be they can be around good people, okay, positive people or good people, which they are good than them. Otherwise, they can absorb different people, okay, what they do,
Yeah,
their behaviors. They can watch some movies, some web series. They can read some books.
absolutely.
They can listen to podcasts, okay, by which they can change themselves. They can upgrade themselves to a good personality. And also one point you said, okay, and also I have said that thing, that personality is not from outside. It is very easy to change outside. For example, I can wear a good
Yeah,
dress if I have money. Okay, I can have a good hairstyle with 200, 300 rupees. I can have a good hairstyle. I can go to a parlor or
perfect.
something. I can have a makeup, everything. Okay, I can wear a shoes. It will be good. I will be looking good. But the main thing is that from inside we should look good. That is very difficult.
Perfect.
That we can't get from money. If we are paying, if I'm paying you, like for example, I will pay 1,000 rupees, and I will tell that change my mindset, that give me some skills or something. It is not possible. So that for that we
Right.
need to work. Yeah. So and also one more question I have, that what is the importance of good personality? For example, if someone knows that okay, good personality is very important, they have already developed it. Okay, so what will be the benefit and what is the importance of developing a good personality?
See, having the good personality will help you a lot. It will be help you in winning a lot of deals. So, if I have to give an example, a few days back ago, like I was on a business visit, so I met a
Okay.
person over there. Okay, so we had a conversation. I visited 2 to 3 different places. So, as you know, like how does that corporate world works? We do have a corporate culture. So there will be owner, then between them they will be having a team say like sales, marketing, etc., etc. Okay, so that sales personnel will always help you to guide, like this is the better product, you have to buy this, these are the features. But on the other hand, we met a person who was the business owner of that company. So I'm giving you two examples, like the one where the sales personnel or marketing personnel were helping us to know about their products and services, and on the other hand, in the next company there was the business owners like who attended us. So once you have this say like distinguish between these two people, what difference I found is like once you have that good personality, you will be able to convince people in a lot better way. You will be able to influence people. So once you have that good personality, see like हमेशा कहते हैं वो कि अच्छी पर्सनालिटी है तो फिर सिर्फ अच्छी अच्छी बातें करके नहीं किया जा सकता है सारी चीजें। बोल तो हर कोई सकता है, बट अगर आप वो दिल से नहीं हो, अगर आपको वो knowledge नहीं है, तो then it won't be coming out from you. So just having that honestly like exterior look is not important. So जब business owner ने interact किया, सारी चीजें बताई, so it creates the sense of importance, it creates the sense of urgency. आपके दिमाग में भी वो सारी चीजें होती है कि like yes, these are the good people, these are attending us, they are allotting their time to us. So you will be able to win lot many people if you are having that good personality. It is not always about how do you represent, it is not always about what kind of effect you are going to have. So like as you said earlier, it is not just about staying with good people, it is not just about staying with positive people, it is always also about having that bad experiences. Then you come to know like what is good for you. Okay, so once you take that bad experience in your life, once you are not satisfied with the kind of personality that person is having, then again you will be moving out to the different person, you will be interacting with different person. So there is the thin line between good personality and bad personality. Okay, so it is very hard to judge that person is not having good personality, but it is much easier to know what kind of person the thoughts he or she is having. So if you are having good thoughts, you will be able to reflect the way you are. Okay, so you just have to be authentic self, you don't have to you don't need to have that imposter syndrome where you are faking yourself and then trying to represent something which you are not. Okay, so that is the sign of good personality, that is the characteristics of personality. And with good personality, you will be having better communication skills, you will be having say like better approach of decision making. Because see, once we try to take a better decision, then it becomes very important. So that is the key which you need to hold in your life.
Okay, fine. Yeah, you explained very well. It means that, okay, if I summarize everything, if you have a good personality, you can convince anyone, okay, you can win
Yeah,
anybody's heart, okay, in an easy way. So it will definitely help you to, for example, if you're into job, so it will be very easy to work with the employees and all. If you're into the business, it will also help you. Means it is a all-round skill, okay, it will help you at every instant of
absolutely.
your life. Yes, exactly.
Yeah,
Like you have explained the things in a very good way, that how what is the importance, and you have also said a story. Okay, that was also really good. So,
right.
like my one last question I have. Okay, as we have covered most of the thing into personality development and how to have a good personality. One last question I have, that what is a piece of advice you would like to give to our listener or to our people like those who are listening, or piece of advice or your own message which you have learned from your own life related to personality development or something.
Yeah. So if I have to share one message, or if I have to tell people like how you can develop a good personality or can be a good person, see, if you are my just last piece of advice will be just try to be a good person. Because if you are a good person, then your personality will become obviously good. So you just need to have that self control in your mind. If you are not having control on your life, if you are not having that control like where you want to head in your life, so there are three things which I look up to. Like you need to have that vision, you need to have that mission in your life, and objectives to complete that particular mission. So if you are good at excelling in your life, if you are a good person, then obviously everything will turn out in a very good manner, and everything will happen for good. Because see, lot many people try to confuse their life. That is what they are doing. They are expecting fast results, but it is always about having that patience. It is always about keeping in your mind that yes, you will be getting results, but you have to showcase your skills on the right stage. And if you're doing that, then you will surely emerge as a better person, and then your personality will be reflecting each and everywhere, and you will be having good impression in society and also in your personal life. So that is my advice.